Ever accidentally destroyed a production database with a single command? That's exactly why Terraform Plan exists. Terraform Plan is a dry run command that shows you exactly what changes Terraform will make, without actually making them. When you run Terraform Plan, Terraform reads your configuration files, compares them to your current infrastructure state, and outputs a detailed diff. Resources marked with a plus sign will be created, minor signs destroyed, and tildes modified. Nothing gets touched. It's purely a preview, and it's your primary safety check before any real change. Terraform Apply is where the real action happens. It actually provisions, modifies, or destroys infrastructure to match your configuration. By default, Apply first generates its own plan, shows you the diff, and then prompts for your confirmation before doing anything. Once you type yes, Terraform begins making API calls to your cloud provider, creating resources, updating settings, or tearing down what's no longer needed. 2 details worth knowing. Apply requires you to type yes to confirm by default. Pass dash or approve to skip this in automated pipelines. You can also save a plan to a file using Terraform Plan -out, then pass that file directly to Apply. This guarantees the exact changes you reviewed are what gets executed. No surprises. Plan for a safe preview apply to execute. Always run plan before making changes in production. Follow for more. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.